everybody, this is Britta from Mindart.dk and I am back with another hashtag mixed media artist collab. There will be several other artists participating in this hub and you can go down in the info box and look for the other artists. And you can click the next link in the info box below. This time I will be working on something I will change as I go. I want to make it a little more fun to watch. And that's why you can see I just turned it upside down and painted like that. And then I turned it around later. My grandson is coming by on and off, and that is lovely and disturbing. As the painting progresses, there is some stage of the painting I like more. And this one is the one I like, and if I hadn't promised myself I would change it and change it and change it again, I would have stopped here and gotten with that. But again, I want to change it and I hope you will enjoy it, even though I like this part of it most. And as you can see now, I just paint with some Paynes Grey, and I am trying to figure out how to make the background a little interesting to watch while she is trying. I will make another painting look like that. But for now I will change her hair, and then she will have another look. She will have a totally other expression. And again, it is the background I give some of my focus right now. I always forget to speak when I am painting. That's why I try this time to make a voiceover. Also because my grandson is hopping on the trampoline and jumping on the floor, and there is a lot of noise. And of course I have a cold. Again. I can't wait for it to be summer. And again I change the hair. I am sitting in my office and there is a lot of noise around with my printer and my computer. And the light is not good. And even because most of the time I am painting in the evening. And I haven't got a light here to make it better. So that's why the lighting is so bad. I have tried to lighten it in the edit, but it's not great.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. A step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
I like this white color I made for her, and that reminds me of Kill Your Darlings, because if you know the saying, kill your darlings, because I crochet a color out of sewing threads, and I am very focused to use this color in this painting. And I can't abstract from it, and that's a little annoying because I should have saved it for some other project, but because I have made it for this, I keep on wanting it to be here, even though it is only nice right now. Later on it doesn't give the expression as I want, so I have to paint it over. But I always can make another one, even though it was pretty hard to make it out of sewing thread. My finger is not made for this thin thread. This is glue, and it will dry up clear, so you can't see the glue afterwards, but it looks like it is white right now. And it takes some time to dry. And her hair and expression is totally different now. I liked her more before, but I keep going because that's how I rule. I just go and go and go until I don't want to paint anymore. And I am not finished yet. When the painting is flat on the table, I can't see it as well, and it gets something a little out of perspective. It's better when I have an easel. It is better to paint on an easel for me, or something that to see the portraits better. So that's why I have put it up on my setup. And if you are quick, you can see my little grandson's hands. He is a part of this too. I have to entertain him while I am painting, and we are having a lot of fun. He wants to participate. Again, I am not fond of this painting, so I try to make it a little different by doing something with the background or playing with the background. It doesn't get any better, but it is as good as it gets. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and please be sure to click the links in the info box below and watch the others in this series or in this hop. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.